Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to connect any controller to your Z Flip 4. We're talking Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo. For this video I'll show with the Xbox. So on the Z Flip itself, you're going to open up the settings app. From here you're going to find where it says connections. You're then going to find Bluetooth and just make sure Bluetooth is turned on. From here you want to turn on your controller and you want to place the controller into pairing mode. So in the case of my Xbox controller, there is a share button here that I long press until this Xbox logo blinks fast. On the PlayStation, you long press the PlayStation key and the share key together, okay? On Nintendo, you just long press a little black dot. If you are having issues placing your controller into pairing mode, just Google how to place controller name into pairing mode and you'll find a helpful video. So this should be enough. So let's long press the share icon. Now we have the fast blinking here. Now on the Z Flip itself, you're going to tap on scan to refresh the scan. I'll give it a couple of seconds here. You can see the Xbox wireless controller, or if you will say PlayStation or Nintendo. Just tap on the controller, you'll see pairing here. Tap on pair, and just like that, the pairing has been done successfully. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.